Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete all of your photos and videos on iPhone at once. Let's get started. Open up your Photos application and then make sure you're inside the library section. Just like so, go ahead and simply tap on select. And to select quickly, tap on the bottom of the photo that you will like to start from deleting. And then go ahead and simply drag your finger upward. This will select all of your entire album or camera roll in seconds, even if you have thousands of photos. Once everything is selected, at the bottom you'll be able to find a trash icon. Tap onto it, then select delete again. So remember, this only moves the photos to recently deleted folder. To delete it permanently, make sure you are inside the collection section, tap on recently deleted folder, and then type in your password or unlock it with your Face ID. And just like that, inside here, tap on select again. Start by selecting all of it and then tap on this three dot, then select delete. That's it. You have now deleted your entire camera roll quickly. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.